Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make green masala pork. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have handful of green coriander, 10 green chilies. You can use more if you want more spicy. 1 teaspoon khuskhus poppy seeds, half teaspoon turmeric haldi powder, 1 teaspoon jeera cumin seeds, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 10 pieces of cloves, 12 pieces of black peppercorns, small ball of tamarind, small piece of ginger, 20 cloves of garlic. Medium size onion chopped, 4 pieces of green cardamom ilaichi, 3 medium onions chopped and 4 bay leaves. 4 tablespoons of vinegar, coconut vinegar. 2 medium size of potatoes which I have cut into pieces, cubes. 1 kg pork which I have cut into big chunks. Teaspoon of sugar and salt as per your taste and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we'll add all these ingredients into a mixer grinder. Add water as required. We'll grind this into a fine paste. Our grounded mixture is ready. Here I have pan with 2 tablespoons of oil which is nice and hot. Now we'll add our chopped onions and tomatoes. We'll saute it till it is nice and translucent. Our onion and tomato is done. Now we'll add the masala. Cook it for 2-3 minutes. Now we'll add the pork. Bay leaves, green cardamom, 4 slit green chilies, teaspoon of sugar, salt as per your taste, vinegar. Mix well. Add water. Again mix. Now we'll cover it and cook it for 15 minutes on medium flame. Now we'll add our potatoes. Mix well. Now we'll cover it and cook for another 15 minutes on medium flame. Our pork is ready. Let's slit it up. Our green masala pork is ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.